The Food and Drug Administration authorized Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use on Friday, clearing the way for millions of highly vulnerable people to begin receiving the vaccine within days. Pfizer has said it will be able to supply up to 25 million doses before the end of the year, and 100 million total vaccines by March. Our authorization is a historic turning point in a pandemic that has taken more than 290,000 lives in the United States. With the decision, the United States becomes the sixth country, in addition to Britain, Bahrain, Canada, Saudi Arabia and Mexico, to clear the vaccine. Other authorizations, including by the European Union, are expected within weeks. The FDA's decision followed an extraordinary sequence of events on Friday morning when the White House Chief of Staff, Mark Meadows, told the FDA Commissioner, Dr. Stephen Hahn, to consider looking for his next job if he didn't get the emergency approval done on Friday, according to a senior administration official who spoke on condition of anonymity because he was not authorized to discuss the matter. Dr. Hahn then ordered vaccine regulators at the agency to do it by the end of the day. The authorization set off a complicated coordination effort from Pfizer, private shipping companies, state and local health officials, the military, hospitals and pharmacy chains to get the first week's batch of about 3 million doses to healthcare workers and nursing home residents as quickly as possible, all while keeping the vaccine at ultra-cold temperatures. Pfizer has a deal with the US government to supply 100 million doses of the vaccine by next March. Under that agreement, the shots will be free to the public. Every state, along with 6 major cities, has submitted to the federal government a list of locations, mostly hospitals, where the Pfizer vaccine is to ship initially. In populous Florida, the first recipients will be 5 hospitals, in Jacksonville, Miami, Orlando, Tampa, and Hollywood. In tiny, rural Vermont, only the University of Vermont Medical Center and a state warehouse will get supplies. McKesson Corporation, a giant medical supplier, is sending kits of syringes, alcohol pads, face shields and other supplies to the same sites, where they will meet up with the vaccines that Pfizer is shipping in special boxes, packed with dry ice, designed to keep them at -94°F. The Pfizer packaging will include a device that tracks the location of the box, plus a thermal probe that will make sure the deep freeze is maintained throughout the journey from the company's distribution sites in Michigan and Wisconsin. Questions also persist about how quickly a vaccine will be available to anyone that wants one. Federal officials have said they expect to be able to vaccinate the bulk of the US population by the middle of next year. Okay everyone! We are ready to start the new year. 2020 was a really bad year for the world. It was a year the earth stood still. It is our time to fight back. This is real. The virus kills. We cannot try to get around it. We have to beat it, before we can start living our lives again. Wear a mask. Stay home. You have a responsibility to others and yourself. Don't be stupid. If you think it is not true, then you are wrong. Believe me when I say it is real and we have to meet it head on. Our governments are not stepping up, they do not have a plan. It is up to us. Take action now and we will get through this soon. Wear a mask. Wear a mask. Wear a mask. It sucks but it helps.